What's good, y'all? Your boy Terrence the Great, and I'm back with another video. This time I'm back with another story time, so I know you guys missed them. A lot of people has requested about these story times. I still have a lot of stories to tell. It's just, been busy. Football, I'm just now getting to football now, and everything is, all coming in at once. But yeah, let's get to this video. Hey, y'all, see this beard coming in though? This story time is about the time I almost got attacked by a dog. So, first of all, I'm gonna start the story. I was in a backyard, pretty much. The dog is at this actually the same backyard as the story time that happened with the girl that almost shot me with a bow and arrow. So make sure you watch that story time too, because that was pretty funny. I was in that backyard, swinging on a swing. It was my friend's backyard, and then these two dogs just came out. One was a Great Dane, the other one was like a pit bull or something. I don't know what that thing was. But that one was the crazy one. Great Dane was clumbering over. So the dude always was like with his dog at all times, every time he let his dogs out. I think I know why. He was always with his dogs every time he let his dogs out. So this time, this guy was not with his dogs. He just let his dogs out, So they started going crazy. They started barking at us, And usually we go over there to like look at the dogs, It's a cool dog because this dog's like 1,000 feet tall, and the other dog's like looks pretty cool, but not this time. It did not go like it was supposed to be. So anyways, these dogs are just barking at us, just going crazy. It's just this Great Dane, it barks, but it doesn't bite. I don't know, there's something wrong with it. If I was a Great Dane, I would have bit every person that came my way. I would have been the scariest Great Dane ever. But anyways, this other like pit bull dog or something, I don't know. It wasn't a pit bull. It was like a mixture of every dog, squirrel, rabbit, bird in the world, and it came just running full speed at the fence, just running. So it hit the fence, and the bottom of the fence came up like this. So I'm like, did anybody else just see what just happened right here? We're just not gonna ignore that, are we? But we ended up ignoring it. So then he went back. I think he noticed that he did that, and he noticed that it scared me. He looked at my eyes and he was like, "Ooh, all right, I got you." So then he did it again. He ran full speed, went like it hit the bottom of the fence, but this time the fence came all the way up, but it came down. It was a metal fence. It was a regular metal fence, but I don't know if they didn't like screw it right, but for some reason this fence it lifted up every time he hit it, but every time I would try to like move it, it didn't move. So I'm wondering how like strong this dog was. Like a tank. This dog was literally going full speed at this dang on fence trying to get us. I'm like, bro, what do you want from us, boy? You can't have me, but you can have them. I mean, anyways. Dog did it like a third, fourth time. Finally, the fence came over and it got stuck like this. Dog, when I tell you, I ran so fast. This dog went full speed chasing us. So it was like about 3 of my other friends back there with us. And then his garage door, we got from the front yard. We went from the front yard to his garage to the backyard. And the garage door was open. So when it chased us, it chased through the garage, and everybody just like split up. And for some reason, this dog decided to go my way. So meanwhile, my house is probably about 3 houses down, but I passed my house to go to my other friend's house, and I was on his porch. I'm like, bro, there's a dog chasing me, bro. And then I think the dog didn't see me because his porch had like a little thing where you could hide under. The dog I was running fast. I was past that dog. I was not about to get catch. I was like 20 feet ahead of this dog. But it came running full speed, and I saw it. I looked through the holes to see if it was like close to me or whatever. So it came and I was like, oh shoot, this dog just passed me. I'm like, bro, let me come on, bro. And it didn't say nothing. So then it went all the way around the street. I said creek. It went all the way around the street, so I went to my other friend's house. Meanwhile, I ran past my house. I don't know what I was thinking at the time. I passed my house to get to his porch, but his porch was high, so I knew his dog was going to jump up there. This porch was like so high for some reason. But then I went to his house and the dog so happened to come out of like some bushes or something. I was like, bro, you waiting for people? This dog crazy. I went on top of his porch. I'm like, bro, somebody. And then, you know, everybody, almost my friends standing on their porch or whatever. But this dog was still just looking at me. So I'm like, bro, you ain't getting up here, so you can go chase him, and him. What you up here for? What? I don't have no snacks or nothing. So then, it finally like just got bored and walked to the back in the backyard where it came from. So then we closed that door, then we closed the garage door. So then, after that, the owner came and got his dog. He was like, "Oh man, I'm so sorry, man. Oh, you know, man, my dog has never been like this, man. I never knew my dog was gonna ever do that. You know, I'm usually inside the house." Shoot, he didn't say it. He's like, I'm usually outside the house, just watching my dog. So I'm like, bro. But that was crazy, bro. That was probably one of the most scariest moments ever, bro. But anyways, I hope you liked that story time. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up down below. Make sure you always subscribe. Hit that subscribe button because I'm going to have more videos like I promised coming. So, and we out. Peace.